Good afternoon, everybody. Ian here with RedlineStands.com. I got a new product we've been working on for a while that I wanted to share with you guys and show you the features of it. This is our new GKS Redline go-kart stand. It's really aimed towards folks that do racing karting. This stand is a really just a simple, cool little stand. Doesn't cost a lot of money, has a lot of great features, and come on in, I'll show you what I'm talking about. First thing I want to show you is the tool tray built into the base of the stand. Throw whatever you need into the tool tray on the bottom of this thing and haul it all up to the starting line. This unit features an 8-inch pneumatic caster in the front and a 10-inch pneumatic rigid wheel in the rear. One of the cool features of this go-kart stand is that we wrap the tubing you can see here in rubber tubing, as well as we put these protectors on the end that just kind of keep the go-kart in place. You can see in this shot right here how it engages the frame and keeps it from sliding around. When you're ready to store your go-kart stand and you need it to take up just a little bit less space, you pull these pins out, pull the pin out there, and then just fold everything down. Okay folks, that's been our new Redline GKS Racing Go-Kart stand. This thing has got a powder coated finish, it's a steel construction, and as you can see, it kind of folds up to fit into small places. I'm going to put a link down below in the description where you can find it on our website. If you want to make sure that you don't miss any of our future videos, product videos, how-to videos, that kind of stuff, click subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching, I appreciate your business. Y'all have a great one. Take care.